So I'm going to paint this rock, and I have these colors: black, white, cobalt blue, primary red, and magenta. So for any painting, I usually like to keep these mostly these colors, and especially black and white, because we are always going to need it. So first I'll mix some white and cobalt blue and little bit of red. Little more blue. Let's see. And here at the bottom, using some magenta, some white, magenta, and red. See, I'm mixing this magenta, red, and white. And here at the bottom, I'm again mixing some blues, blue, red, and white. I think I need a little bit of yellow, tiny bit of yellow little here. I have this little yellow, white, more white and yellow. And little magenta. Now I'm trying to paint a flamingo. Let me see. It's really hard to paint small areas like that. So this is the Posca pen I'm using. Drawing the head first. Then the body. It's like this, slanting. Something like this. It's hard to get perfection, but still we can try. And this is the leg. And let's draw another leg. This goes this way. And then like this. Almost like a dancing pose. Now let's draw the reflections. Reflections like that. And the reflection of the neck and head, something like that. Doesn't need to be exact, but we can try as close as possible. Then now let's color the inside. It's like shadow, because when we see from a distance, you don't see the exact details, but you see like a shadow when flamingos are viewed from a very far angle. I think here I'll use acrylic paint. So here I have black acrylic paint, which I can use for bigger areas. So I use tiny brush and I'm painting this inside because I don't want to ruin my pen for painting large areas. So I use this technique. Here the shadow areas, also the big ones, I can use the brush. Here there are some reflections. I think we are pretty much done. Here I'm not going to touch anything. I'll use some blues, the same color combination, blues, magenta, and mix of blue and magenta, little white. Then I will add some ripples. Like that, like to show that it's water level. And here also some ripples here and there. See, look at that, how cute it is. I'm really loving this painting. I like to do cute little drawings on rock. It's really beautiful and gives so much satisfaction when you make this kind of painting. The tiny ones, I really like it. Here I will add some, I think I'm going to add some white sparkles to the water. So I use this palette knife, and let us take some white in a palette knife like that. Gently dip it, and let us try to make some sparkles like that. See, so gently like that. Not too much, but little. So you know that it's water level. You draw this, you know, this portion is water and this portion is sky. So that's why I added little sparkles of sunlight reflection, and I think here I added some paint. I need to touch up. See how cute little flamingo is ready. And you can also varnish this. After it dries, you can apply gloss varnish or something. It'll be really pretty. But otherwise, it's done. And if you guys really like my channel, could you please subscribe, because I like my followers watching my painting videos, and I really appreciate that. That gives me a lot of motivation, and you know, it's nothing to lose if you just subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. It'll be really cool. Thank you for watching.